Hey, John.
Yes, sir.
Are you in that neighborhood that we passed, that we were going to take the left, or we took a turn to avoid if we stayed on the same road? And then if we did the right turn, it wrapped all the way around to the lake?
That's too much. I don't know. You might be able to see my van if you guys look like down, honestly. I'm like at a T intersection.
You're not up in the subdivision up near the lake then?
I'm near the Quarry Lake. I'm pretty much squared right up to that flat face at the head wall up there.
I think we see it.
Well, do you know how long the descent is going to be?
They said about an hour. My guess is we'll probably be a little quicker.
Okay, I might have to relocate. I don't know if I'm legally allowed to park here for much longer, but we'll see.
Just jump around parking lot to parking lot.
How are you guys on water?
I think we still got some left, so
Nice.
should be okay.
All right. Cool, man. Proud of you guys.
Woo!